Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel. I am Jiva Mukesh. In this video, we are going to explore some of the most commonly asked pattern printing problems in coding interviews, especially in Zoho. Patterns like the butterfly, pyramid, and numerical rhombus may look different, but they all belong to the same family of logical challenges where you need to work smartly with nested loops. Then, we will demonstrate these patterns programmatically by using the Java programming language. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. To watch our previous tutorials, click the link in the description below. Let's dive right into today's topic. Before we dive into the problem, let's understand what butterfly patterns, pyramid patterns, and numerical rhombus patterns are using stars and numbers. Pattern 1. It denotes butterfly pattern. For example, if the size is 6, right and left wings contains even stars. Pattern 2. It denotes hollow butterfly pattern. For example, if the size is 5, first and last column contains 5 stars, then print 3 stars in right and left diagonals. Pattern 3. It denotes palindromic number pyramid pattern. For example, if the size is 2, row 1 will be 0, row 2 will be 202, row 3 will be 12021. Pattern 4. It denotes upper spiral pyramid pattern. For example, if the size is 5, row 1 will be 112, 11, 10, 9, row 2 will be 2, 13, 14, 8, row 3 will be 3, 15, 7, row 4 will be 4, 6, row 5 will be 5. Pattern 5. It denotes numerical rhombus pattern. For example, if the size is 3, row 1 will be 1, 2, 3, row 2 will be 6, 5, 4, row 3 will be 7, 8, 9, and structure will look like a staircase or snake. Pattern 6. It denotes reverse numerical rhombus pattern. For example, if the size is 3, row 1 will be 3, 2, 1, row 2 will be 4, 5, 6, row 3 will be 9, 8, 7, and structure will look like a staircase or snake. Hope you now have a solid understanding of butterfly patterns, pyramid patterns, and numerical rhombus patterns using stars and numbers. Now let's take the time to solve these problems and demonstrate one by one by applying Java code. That's all for today. I hope you guys understood today's topic well. If you have any queries or doubts, please mention them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.